Friendship Day is a day when people all around the world celebrate one of the most beautiful relationships in the world, friendship. Friendship is the symbol of humanity made up of trust, care, sharing, responsibility, understanding, and support. In true friendships, a person can share his happiness, his sadness, and all kinds of things that he can share. Friendship can come from anyone and anyone in any lifetime. A father can be a friend with his daughter, just as a mother can be a friend with a son. A husband and wife can be a friends. It is not necessary to be a friend only between people of same age and same gender. True friendship always shows the right path to the person. The celebration of Friendship Day promotes a culture of peace and non-violence. Without friendship, there will be no trust and no care and could be the end of the world. International Day of Friendship was based on the idea that friendship among peoples, countries and cultures can inspire peace efforts and help build bridges between communities. Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Friendship is one of the most precious gifts of life. Friends are those who help you, enjoy with you, understand you. We know many people in our life, but not all are friends. Friends is that person who understands you more than you. On the first Sunday in August, National Friendship Day encourages people across the country and world to connect with friends, make a new friend or reconnect with an old one. Friendships comes in many forms and we begin developing them when we were very young. Throughout our lives, friendships and their meanings evolve. Our classmates and neighborhood pals explore the world with us. Together we share experiences and made plans for the future. Eventually paths diverge and new friends find a place in our social experience. Our world expands and our culture changes. With each new friends, we expand our view of the world. The experiences contribute to new meaning in our life. Through friendships, we grow and broaden our horizons. Eventually, the world becomes smaller and more connected. This day is celebrated as a symbol of friendship. This day began in the year 1919 thanks to the founder of Hallmark Cards, Joyce Hall. Back then, people used to send Friendship Day cards to their friends. This process, which started in those days, still goes on today. In April 2011, the United Nations officially recognized 30th June as International Friendship Day, although most countries like India celebrate on the first Sunday of August. Friendship Day is said to have originated from the United States of America back in the 1960s. Back then, friendship bands were tied in political rallies and activity which has since transformed into friends tying each other friendship bands on this day. It is treated as a promise to be each other's best friend forever. On 5th August 1997, Mrs. Nanny Annan, wife of then United Nations Secretary General Kofi Annan, designated lovable Disney character Winnie the Pooh as the global ambassador of friendship on the occasion of International Day of Friendship. Friendships can enrich your life in many ways. Good friends teach you about yourself and challenge you to be better. They encourage you to keep going when times get tough and celebrate your successes with you. Friendship is all about love, concern, sharing, and selflessness. Friends should be chosen very carefully because good friends lead us on good path, whereas bad friendships may spoil our life by leading us on the wrong path. Our bad times make us realize about our good and bad friends. True friendship is based on loyalty and support. A good friend is a person who will stand with you when times are tough. True friends are pillar of life. They are the precious gift that we have achieved. As the name suggests, on this day, you can express your gratitude towards the people who are the biggest support in your life and are closest to you, your best friends. You get a chance to show your best friends how much you appreciate them, how special and important they are to you, and how you cherish your friendship with them. After the immediate family, we all have a best friend in our life who we consider our ultimate support system. On the occasion of Friendship Day, I want to say, when we seek to discover the best in others, we somehow brings out the best in ourselves. This day is special for everyone, irrespective of the age group. Friends are the most important part of life, and they are irreplaceable. So wish you all happy Friendship Day. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.